This is the Celestina mustard yellow Nappa leather handbag I was sent to review and I absolutely love it. It is equally gorgeous as it is practical. So let me show you all of the features. Made of 100% imported Italian Nappa leather with YKK smooth zippers. Soft cotton liner, really strong, durable zinc alloy hardware, really thick and strong handles that are really comfortable to hold, a beautiful tassel, stitching and embellishments, 4 metal studs protect the bottom from wear and tear, and also make it self-standing. Yes! It is a great size, big enough to fit a 14-inch laptop, or in my case, a water bottle, and a cardigan. But it's not big enough to feel cumbersome or oversized. It's just perfect. Over the shoulder, in the elbow, holding it in your hand. It goes just as well with a cocktail dress and heels for a night out on the town, as it does with jeans and sneakers as your everyday tote bag for work or running errands. It even comes with its own little bag in case you need to put it away in the closet for a while. This will keep it nice and clean and dust free. It's got several compartments in here. We have a side zippered one here. That's great for a wallet or cards or something, keys, something you want to keep really secure. You've got a center zipper pocket here where I've got my wallet. You can zipper that closed, and that is connected all the way around, all across the bottom. That divides it into 2 main compartments here. On the other side, you've got 2 small open compartments, great for chapstick, lipstick, keys, something like that. And then on the outside, you've got a zippered compartment, which is handy to have quick access to your phone, for example. Love that. Woo! It is an absolutely gorgeous bag and so incredibly useful. A great gift to yourself or a loved one. I absolutely love it and know you will too.